Now, as soon as I tell you that, you should be thinking, wait a minute, if they're swallowing this, there has to be some kind of monoamine oxidase inhibitor, and that isn't known. Um, so that's kind of a mystery, actually. I don't talk about in the book because it would lead me down the garden path a little bit into thinking about,
It's the next
because
book,
it's
right?
still. Yes, the
Yeah.
next book. But yeah, there are pellets. So there's oral forms, and these oral hallucinogens, as Schultes described them, which are these pellets made from Virola resin. But the question is obvious there: is that why are these active? Is there some monoamine oxidase inhibitor within the bark? If so, I've not seen um, analyses that would suggest that. Are there admixtures? We know that the other major snuff variety, principally from the yopo tree, Anadenanthera peregrina. So this produces the yopo snuff. This is from the seeds, and these seeds are ground up again to form a snuff, and these are inhaled, or normally you would have a partner, one with a you would put the snuff into a long tube. The Up to a teaspoon of this snuff, quite a lot of it, would go into one end of the tube, and then your partner would blow it forcefully into your nostrils, and it kind of explodes into your head, and it's very unpleasant. It's not surprising, it's not particularly popular in the West. But analyses of these snuffs again find DMT, sometimes 5-MeO DMT, bufotenine, but also harmala alkaloids in some analyses. Again, analyses vary. You've got a tree that grows over broad areas of Amazonia and the Orinoco Plains, and you get different subspecies or variants that contain an alkaloid concentration and changes over time and throughout the season and growing stage and all this kind of stuff. But also admixture plants that could be added as well. That we know there are certain admixture plants that are added to these yopo snuffs. It's not just the seeds, but the presence of these harmala alkaloids within this yopo snuff suggests again that these indigenous peoples are perhaps employing pharmacological synergy to enhance the effects of the snuff.